Okay, lab partner, what I did, turn you sideways here, is I wrote down on this sheet of paper this. That, which is still hanging in there, huh? Oh, who's got balancing skill now? This guy, this guy. So that has been written down here. Here is my data drawing, I'm going to call it. Not a data table, my data drawing. So what is it? Well, it shows each of the masses. I try to draw them a little bit proportional there. And it shows where they are located. Those are the numbers at the top. Why can't you just take a picture and send it? No, lab partner, you need to do some work. Instead of sitting back, just relaxing, enjoying the show, okay? You need to write this stuff down. So the clamp on the left was located at the 12.0 centimeter mark. Now what I did is I actually went through and I set up the one at the 80 on the right, the 70. I set up the pivot at the center of gravity. I put the 500 gram mass at the 40, and I took the 20 gram mass and put it at the 30. And I put those exactly at those points. I tried to anyways. I tried to get them exactly at 80.0, 70.0, right on the center of gravity, and 40.0, 30.0. And then I took the left mass you see there in the drawing. That's this one here. Took that mass, and I just put it on this left side until I got this to balance. And once I had it in balance, boom, we were good to go. Now, that happened to come out to be exactly 12.0. Lucky, because if you look at those numbers, I set the ones up so they were at 0.0, but the one that I had to put on to get this thing finally balanced was also at 0.0. So that's kind of nice. It'll help the math a little bit. And those numbers below are the masses of the clamp and the mass that I attached to it. So 63.8 is a 50 gram mass along with one of the clamps. I can't remember exactly which one it was. And then you have the next one, 32.03. That is a 20 gram mass plus a 12.03 gram clamp. And then you have the 500 gram mass. That's held up by our good old one we used in the first video, the 19.52 gram clamp, for a total of 519.52. And then we have the 200 grams held up by an 18.17 gram clamp, and that's a 100 on the right held up by an 18.49 gram clamp. So those masses are including the clamps that we had massed earlier. All right, now, so we have the data. This is my data drawing. We're going to go up, and at one point we'll reproduce this on the front board. And then we have to figure out, what do I do with the first three trials? And what do I do with this trial? All right, I'm so excited. I can't wait to tell you.